What's up, Rockets? I'm Seth T. Meyer.
And I'm Nicholas Zamora.
And this is J-Rocket TV. Our top story, Austin will be hosting the South by Southwest Music, Technology, and Film Festival from March 9th through March 17th.
The annual festival will feature independent films and numerous music performances, as well as keynote speakers.
This year's South by Southwest conference will feature speakers Lena Dunham, Ethan Hawke, Spike Lee, and Star Wars The Last Jedi director Rian Johnson to its lineup.
The Music and Film Festival is a fun event, but can make traveling around Austin even slower than usual.
In tech news, Samsung at the World Mobile Congress recently announced the release of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus.
The new S9 features a rear-facing 12-megapixel camera with a dual aperture function, which is supposed to work like the human eye.
The dual aperture feature allows for pictures in really bright or really dark settings and will automatically adjust it to take the best picture possible.
Samsung took the infinity screen concept and further improved it by making the edge between the screen and the screen cutoff almost seamless.
The phone will also include two speakers on both ends of the phone to allow for louder and richer sound. With Dolby Atmos speakers, Samsung hopes that you will be able to submerge yourself into the world of the video that you are watching.
Samsung has also partnered with leading makeup companies like Sephora, Amore Pacific, and CoverGirl to develop a new feature, which allows users to try on makeup using the camera.
A new feature of this S9's Bixby is that it will translate foreign language in AR using your camera. Bixby will also be able to identify the food you are eating.
This allows you to easily track your eating habits and count the calories for those of you who are watching what you eat.
Another new feature that they announced is the AR emoji. The AR emoji maps out your unique facial features to create an animated emoji of yourself, much like Apple's Animoji.
The AR emoji that you create of yourself will allow you to send your very own custom emoji to your friends for many different moods, such as an actual emoji.
And now here's Lucas McCurdy coming to you from a secure, undisclosed location for another Grinds My Gears segment.
Hey guys, the FBI's really mad at me. They really don't like my Grinds My Gears segment I did last time. So I've gotta be a little bit quieter this time. You know what really grinds my gears? Elon Musk. That guy, he's doing all this, he's selling flamethrowers. You don't need a flamethrower. Nobody needs a flamethrower, even though it's not a very good one. But nobody needs a flamethrower. He invented the electric car and PayPal. He owns Tesla. You know how expensive Teslas are? Real expensive. He also owns SpaceX. He sent his car into space. You just to claim that he sent his own personal car into space, probably. Why does he want to get to Mars so bad, huh? Why does he want to get to Mars? What's he going to do on Mars? Is he just going to take over Mars? Probably. He also insinuated he was making zombies on Twitter. Remember that? He might be making a zombie apocalypse. What's he, some kind of James Bond villain? FBI, open up!
And now here's John and Teo with this week's Word on the Street.
What is the word on the street, Taya?
Where's your favorite place to eat?
We go to the Acme Po' Boy and Oyster House, you know? That's real New Orleans food right there.
Wingstop. See, you know, I'm kind of big, so, you know, I like McDonald's. Yeah. I like Chili's. I like cornbread and collard greens.
My favorite place to eat right now is Cane's. You know, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, any of those places.
It's my prom day right here. We going to Morton's. That's way too. You know.
I'm gonna say Red Robin.
In-N-Out Burger.
Chris Madrid's. Wingstop, cause you know them wings be hitting.
Olive Garden.
Where's your favorite place to eat?
McDonald's. Enough said.
Disgusting.
Whataburger. Baskin Robbins, you already know they got that good ice cream. Hey, 31.
You eat that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Yeah. They got everything.
That's another thing.
Little Caesars. Man, Sabrositos, they got the bacon and egg tacos. They got the bean and cheese tacos.
What's your favorite place to eat?
Long John Silver's.
Cane's.
My favorite place, I love to get the barbecue chicken strip sandwich at Whataburger. It smacks.
Little Caesars.
Chuy's. I love Chuy's.
I like Wingstop.
Where's your favorite place to eat?
Whataburger.
In-N-Out.
Oh, right here. Whataburger. Our favorite place to eat is Chick-fil-A, but also we like Papa Do's.
Chick-fil-A.
Wanna ask a question?
You know that Golden Corral, you know? Hit me up.
The best Chinese restaurant in the whole San Antonio, PF Chang.
Oh, Mod Pizza. Yeah, Mod Pizza. It's really good. Canes.
Steak Town.
At my house, homemade meals every day.
I'm black, I like chicken, so I have to go with Zaxby's.
IHOP.
Oh, they got free pancakes today.
Chick-fil-A. Probably Cheddar's. Cheddar's, right? That's good? Yeah? Okay.
It's obviously the best fast food restaurant on this planet. Wendy's. Come on, 4 for $4. Like what? There's nothing better than Wendy's besides Whataburger.
Well, that's about all the time we have this week. I'm Seth Tiemeyer.
And I'm Nicholas Zamora.
And this has been JRocket TV. To see more of our content, subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/JRocketTV.